Paella de Pollo Asado or paella with roasted chicken, and I'm going to use how to make this delicious meal. Look at this baby. Let's create sage, thyme, rosemary, and all them you're going to cut, especially the rosemary. You want it to cut into tiny pieces, okay? I have some parsley too, fresh, and I'm going to cut into tiny pieces too, okay? I got some garlic. It's about 3 or 4 teeth. I chop them to make it easy. I'm going to put some salt to create friction. I'm going to smash that baby. And then I'm going to smash it to create some sort of paste. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding some of this stuff that I had before. And I'm going to do the same. I squeezed some lemon, so I have the juice here. I'm going to add it. And I'm going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to do this. Add the rest of the spices. And I'm going to smash it a little bit, create a little paste. See how beautiful? 4 legs, skin. I got 3 of those. I had them in water with salt, brining them. Because when you cook them, you want them to keep the juices flowing, okay? So they've been in water with salt for about 30 minutes, room temperature. I'm going to get them out here and I'm going to mix it with my spices. So here's the chicken. Going to put a little bit of holes, just a tiny bit. Because I want the spices to go inside and around. What I'm going to do is time to put out the stuff there and mix it up, okay? Bring in the aromatics and the flavors. And I'm going to let it sit. You can put some salt if you want to. You can put some salt, okay? So I do this just a little bit. Mix it up. And you have the oven preheating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Add some smoked paprika. I'm going to add it. Just a little bit. Rub it. And the good thing about having some of that water and some of that lemon juice, oil, is that when you rub it, it's going to keep it kind of moist, you know, and it's not going to burn. It's not going to burn. Another thing that I want to show you before I put this in the oven, I have this garlic. I cut the top, it's about 1/4 inch. Peel it. And if it's hard to peel, you can use some tweezers and peel the outside. Doesn't have to be perfect. You might have some left. And I'm going to put it here and I'm going to roast this baby too, okay? And now they're going to the oven. Now I'm not going to fully cook this because I'm going to create paella. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? 20 minutes later, I'm going to pull them, okay? So I put some extra virgin olive oil. Let me put some salt. Sea salt! Just sprinkle it around, why not, right? What I'm going to do now, I have some lima beans, some green beans, and artichokes. And I'm going to add this baby. Medium high heat, okay? And do this for about a minute. Garlic, it's about 3 teeth chopped. And this one you don't want it burned, so you're going to move it around for a few seconds. What I'm going to do, I have some small paprika. It's about a couple teaspoons. Oh, look at that. Doesn't have to be pretty. You can use a grated tomato, or you can go with a tablespoon of tomato paste, okay? And you're going to mix it up. Let me... Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add about 2.5 cups of water. If you have chicken broth, use that too. High heat. And let it do its thing for about, I'd say about 5 minutes, okay? 3 to 5 minutes. Some strings of saffron. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a cup of bomba rice, see the round grains. Let me start from the outside. And I'm going to move in. And then I'm going to spread it around a little bit. And I'm going to add the chicken. And the garlic. And I'm going to let it go high heat for about 5 minutes, okay? Before I reduce it. I reduce the heat to about a notch above medium. This is optional, but I like to do it because I want to take advantage of the steam. So I'm going to put some aluminum foil. And from time to time, every 5 minutes, I'm going to check it out, okay? Just to make sure that things are cooked, okay? But not overcooked. Here we have it. Oh, look at this baby. Look at this baby. And here we have it. Here we have it. Oh, look at that. I have the saffron too at the bottom. Look at this baby. Oh yeah. Look at this baby. Look at this rice too. Look at that.